every second of that moment was very painful and traumatizing to remember. We were watching how a former president forcibly taken from his country by our own government. That was unthinkable, Admar, because no right-thinking leader, for that matter, nagagawin yung ginawa kay PRRD at that time. Kahit pa magkalaban, kung leader ka talaga na you are a statesman, kasi politika lang kung nagkalaban sa politika, you could not have done that. But what is worse is that he did it to a person who who resurrected their political name. And prior to that, the very president who defied all conventional wisdom to allow the burial of the dictator, the father of our former president, to be interred at the libingan ng mga bayani. No president has ever done that from the time of Cory Aquino, Fidel Ramos, Erap Estrada, GMA, lalo na kay Pinoy. Wala, they will not do that because they knew that that was going to be an object of extreme opposition from the anti-Marcos forces. But President Duterte gambled his political capital just to finally put to rest that issue that has divided the country, that has wounded the country, because a lot of people are also followers of the former president. So, in the spirit of reconciliation, healing, President Duterte gambled his political capital para maidibing si former President Marcos Sr. sa libingan ng mga bayan. That in itself should have been reciprocated with gratitude. But what happened, a loyalty that was shown by the former president was repaid with betrayal. Yun ang pinakamasakit, Adman.